Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Black Violet Tarot. This is by Heidi Phelps, published by Rockpool, retailing for $29.95 in the US and $23.99 in the UK. Very dynamic packaging here. And it is published by Rockpool. Thank you so much to Rockpool for sending this deck our way. Now, let's get into it. Use this deck as a tool to contemplate what is and dream about what could be, whatever your creative endeavor. With a women-led take on traditional tarot, these 80 exquisite Art Nouveau-inspired cards will help you reflect on any aspect of life, joyful or painful, meaningful or mundane, in order to tap into your creativity and artistic voice. Violets represent life and fertility, death and remembrance. The Black Violet Tarot reflects this idea of bittersweet dualities, and it will support you to find the light in the times of darkness. All right. I am excited. And of course, everywhere that you can purchase this, I will link down below in the description box. That is a big deck, or big guidebook. Okay. Nice big purple violet ribbon there. Ooh, we have the purple foiling. Okay. Oh, I'm excited. So before we get into the cards, I want to take a peek at this guidebook real fast. Okay, introduction, how to use the cards. We got some spreads, and then it goes into the card meanings. Awesome. This deck is meant to spark inspiration for art and self-expression. Use it as a tool to reflect on what is and dream about what could be, whether you're putting pen to paper, fingers to keyboard, stylus to screen, brush to canvas, or ingredients to cutting board. Awesome. And then it gives you some more information about the suits. We have daily inspiration spread, weekly navigation, and project kickoff. Very cool. Okay, let's get into the cards and then we'll come back to that guidebook. Okay, the cardstock is on the thinner side. It's not like paper thin or anything. Still flexible. I am not mad at it yet because I think it's going to be great to shuffle with. There is a slight shine, but I would call this a matte deck. But there's the back. And here we go. Oh, no borders. All right. Number up top, title on the bottom. Oh, that's gorgeous. I really like this. Wow. So maybe if you guys are struggling in a creative rut, this might be a helpful tool. Wow. It's minimalistic, but it packs a punch. I love the contrast. The simplicity of it is great. You still get intuitive hits. Oh, that's cool. Ooh. Interesting take on temperance. Oh, look at that devil. Oh, sweet. Love that. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, I really enjoy this. Okay, so here's the extra card here. We got Ghost and Coven. Oh, really like those. Okay, now we're in the Suit of Swords. This is like a really creative and interesting deck. I like the addition of the butterflies in this suit. Okay, Pentacles. That's interesting. Mm-hmm. Wands. Cute. Very interesting. I really like how they managed to capture the duality of it with just black and white here. That's so cool. And cups. Sweet. All right, let's see how it shuffles. There we go. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, it's flexible, it snaps back. Rifle shuffles really well too. This one wants to be red, the Ace of Cups. Okay. All right, so we have love, emotion, and self-expression. The Ace of Cups suggests that your cup runneth over. You're filled with love and emotion, and it seems to be pouring out of you. You don't need a designated time to embrace your loved ones and hold them close to your heart, but this card gives you a bright green light to do so anyway. Don't hold back from expressing your love to those you hold dear. A woman holds a cup in her hand and water flows into it, symbolizing the abundance of emotions and depth of your feelings. This card embodies the essence of pure and unconditional love, emotional fulfillment, and the capacity for self-expression, and encourages you to open your heart and allow your emotions to flow freely toward yourself and those around you. Let the waters of your compassion and affection create ripples of connection and understanding, fostering deeper bonds and enriching your relationships. Embrace the opportunity to channel your emotions into creative and meaningful self-expression, nourishing your soul and the hearts of others. Then we have reversed. Repression, hesitation, and focus on self. A reversed Ace of Cups suggests a temporary period of emotional repression and hesitation. The overflowing cup now seems to be held back, and the waters of emotions might feel stagnant. You may find yourself holding back from expressing your feelings, possibly due to a fear of vulnerability or past emotional wounds. In this position, the focus on self becomes more pronounced. The energies that were once directed outward now turn inward, urging you to explore your emotions, desires, and needs. While this may lead to a sense of self-discovery, it can also result in moments of introspection and withdrawal from others. This card prompts you to take the time you need to understand and process your feelings before opening up to others. Be patient with yourself and avoid forcing emotional expressions. By prioritizing self-care and addressing your inner world, you can navigate through this phase of hesitancy and find a renewed sense of emotional balance and authenticity. Wow. This is really cool. I do really like this. If you like a more female-led deck that is dynamic and full of duality, this is definitely one to check out. There is the bonus cards, the Ghost and the Coven. Very cool. I'm really excited to get to know this. I think it definitely will take your eye to get adjusted to it a little bit. It might take some time for that because it is so black and white, no pun intended, but like definitely beautifully done. I love how just vibrant it is with only it being two colors. Very, very cool. Shuffle's fine. I just didn't get a good grip on it before, so I don't have an issue with the cardstock. I don't have an issue with the flexibility at all. Let's see, there it goes. So great. I really like it. Now, I would love to know what you guys think about this deck. Is this something on your wish list? Is this something you've checked out before and are intrigued by? What are your thoughts? Please let me know all of them down in the comment section below. Thank you so much to Rockpool for sending this our way. I cannot wait to get to know it more personally. Have a wonderful rest of your day. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. All right, everyone, I love you and I like you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.